If I could give one example of what we can achieve in terms of RNA therapeutics, it can be used for N of 1, very rare disease conditions who otherwise could not be treated can now be treated using RNA therapeutics. Melism is actually a drug specifically developed for one child called Mila Makovic. Professor Tim Yu at Boston Children's Hospital diagnosed Mila with a rare disease condition called Batten disease. It was mainly because of a mutation in CLN7 gene. And he came up with this antisense therapy. From the diagnosis to the development to the injection to the patient, all happened within about 10 months' time. So everybody had to work together, the regulatory landscape and the drug development landscape and the diagnosis and the patient side. Everybody had to work like a team to administer the drug finally to benefit that child. And that's a wonderful demonstration on what we can do with RNA therapeutics. Now think about that in a global scenario. So we have that potential and capabilities of these technologies to deliver to the people who are desperately in need of personalized drugs, and that can be achieved with RNA drugs.
In clinical trials in the conventional drugs, the failure rate in clinical trials is around 80%. So what would be the lessons the RNA drugs they need to take to improve the success rate for all those RNA drugs to pass into clinical trials and then human?
What we can do is basically to learn from each pipelines of development. So what are the problems encountered by a specific candidate for that specific indication? So we correct and develop a better design and a better RNA drug molecule to address those limitations associated with the previous compound. So that's how we continuously learn and evolve this drug development art. About 90% of the drugs might not make it all the way. So we have to start. We need to really take initiatives of developing RNA therapeutics. At the end of the day, why do we do all of this is basically to benefit somebody who's do not have any other alternative or are looking for better alternatives. And that's why we embark on this field, and that's my passion has come from there. I'm very good in doing this RNA therapeutics and RNA drug development, and that's what I enjoy doing. So I obviously am very well aware of the landscape. We learn from all of those, and we focus on our development pipelines to make sure that we do our best to make sure our drug is going all the way.